carbon. It helped build everything we have, but to keep moving forward, we need to leave carbon behind. Introducing Greentech, a revolutionary solution engineered to enhance fuel efficiency for various fuels, including liquefied petroleum gas, liquefied natural gas, piped natural gas, compressed natural gas, and more. The installation process of Greentech conduit module is simple. The first step is to identify the connection point of the gas intake pipeline near the combustion burner. Once located, the engineer disconnects the pipeline, attaches the pipeline to both sides of the Greentech conduit module, and ensures a secure and leak-free connection to complete the installation process. Greentech LPG Gas Saver works by absorbing the thermal energy from its surrounding area and releasing it in an innovative process that allows for the gas molecules to break apart from their cluster into single molecules. The Greentech Industrial LPG module features a customizable array of LPG gas savers, adjustable to match the factory's flow rate. As gas fuel passes through the module, its molecule structure is enhanced, resulting in a more complete fuel burn generating less CO2 and other exhaust emissions, increased power generation, and a smoother, cleaner and more efficient operation of the gas burner. Ultimately, this contributes to an extended lifespan of the equipment. With Greentech, you'll experience not only enhanced gas efficiency, but also a remarkable 12-15 energy savings. Benefit from a 10-year lifespan and achieve the return on investment within 3-6 months, leading to reduced operational costs and a more eco-friendly production process. Greentech now holds exclusive patents in multiple countries, setting the gold standard for quality and eco-compliance. We've achieved the prestigious ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ATS 16949, C and ROS certifications. Our patented solutions have earned global recognition with a presence in 18 countries, notably in the consumer market, transport fleets, governments with responsible energy practices, and industrial sectors, including leaders like Jamna Auto Industries, Ashirvad Pipes, Tanks Quality Foods, Barrett Tins, Usha Martin Steel Wire Ropes, Etwop, Indo Shellcast, and more. Greentech, your partner in transitioning to an eco-friendly and efficient industrial era. Together, let's create a brighter, cleaner future.